Yeah. Okay, here we go. The beginning of the Ozark Highlands Trail. Here we go. Everybody happy? Everybody ready to go?
I think we're ready to go.
All right, here we go. Trail sign in. Oh, hey, I guess we better sign in. Okay, let's knock that out first.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe. Because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone, hoping one day I'll never be known. Cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop. Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls, so trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to
Raymond's gone, he's gone.
wishing everything would just come to a stop.
All right. Hey, we stop for lunch. Good lunch break here. After we cross the Froggy Bayou over there. So I'm here. Get some great pulled pork from Walmart. And had a special guest appearance from Mr. Waldo himself. He's here. All right, we gotta eat.
Concept, gotta stay alive, yeah, that's the mindset. Caffeine mornings, vodka nights, gotta be awake, gotta live this life. Hoping there's more, but knowing there's less. We gotta keep going and hope for the best. Walking the streets, just you and me, trying to fill the void, trying not to bleed. Sometimes life just moves too slow.
So far, pretty easy, relatively flat. A couple of ups and downs. Got one wet crossing in Froggy Bayou. Got that one done. And we got about another 5 miles to go today. Mainly because we had to drive here this morning, so we started on the trail about 9:45. So we'll do 10 today, 10 tomorrow, and then have a really short last day. So, there we have it.
You gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess. Cause I'm stuck in this road, day in, day out. Thoughts come in but nothing comes out. I'm still trying to feel on top, wishing all the shit would just come to.
All right, here we go. We are finally made it to camp about 4:30, 4:45. So I just got the hammock set up here, kind of like I described here. So we've got the hammock pad right here, along with the pillow. And nice thing about a hammock is you have a clothesline already built in. So what we'll do is, now that we're set up, I'll put the tarp on top, keep the dew off in the morning, and we're gonna go make dinner. So there we have it.